Assalamu alaikum. Myself Ansari Safia from Department of Physics, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Now today we have to calculate number of atoms in a unit cell. We know that a crystal lattice comprises of several unit cells. In a unit cell, every constituent particle has a specific and fixed position called lattice site. We can calculate a number of atoms or molecules and ions in a unit cell easily by analyzing the nature and position of constituent particles in a unit cell. Now the total number of atoms per unit cell is given by N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8, where Ni is equal to number of body centered atom, Nf is equal to number of face centered atoms, and Nc is equal to number of corner atoms. Now let us discuss some common crystal structure. First one is a simple cubic crystal. Now we know that in a simple cubic crystal system there are only 8 atoms present at 8 corners. Therefore Ni means number of body centered atom is equal to 0. Number of face centered atom, that is Nf, is also equal to 0, and Nc, number of corner atoms, is equal to 8. Now there are 8 corners and 8 atoms are situated at each corner, so Nc is equal to 8. Now substituting these values in equation, N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8. Therefore N is equal to, now Ni is equal to 0 and Nf is also equal to 0. Therefore N is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 8 by 8. Therefore N is equal to 1. Hence for simple cubic crystal there is a 1 atom in each cell. Second one is face centered cubic crystal. In such crystal there are 8 atoms at 8 corners and 1 atom at the center of each face. Therefore Ni, that means number of body centered atom, is equal to 0. Nf, that means face centered atom, is equal to 6 because there are 6 faces and on each faces there is only 1 atom, and Nc is equal to 8. At 8 corners 8 atoms are situated. Substituting these values in equation, N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8. Therefore N is equal to 0 because Ni is equal to 0. 0 plus 6 by 2 plus 8 by 8, which is equal to 4. Hence in FCC crystal there are 4 atoms in each cell. Third one is body centered cubic system. In such a crystal there are 8 atoms at 8 corners and 1 atom is present at the center of the cube. Therefore Ni is equal to 1. number of body centered atom is equal to 1, number of face centered atom is equal to 0, and number of corner atoms is equal to 8. Therefore, the number of atoms per unit cell Ni is equal to 1, Nf is equal to 0, and Nc is equal to 8. Therefore, N is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 8 by 8 equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Hence, in BCC structure, each cell has 2 atoms. Now, thank you.